Hi everyone. Today I'm at St Fagans Museum near Cardiff, and I've come here today to look at the St Telio's Church. This is a really interesting museum, and what they basically do is take a building from one place and they build it here again. So because I'm doing a church tour channel, I'm only really interested in looking at the church, but there is about 40 or 50 other buildings here, so it's a really good day out. Originally, this church was located near Swansea. Now, I can't pronounce these names, so I'll add it on the screen now. It's a Catholic church and it was believed to have been built in the late 12th century. It was used regularly until 1850, and then from then on, it was only used for a few services during summer months. Here's a few pictures of where it was and what it looked like beforehand. So, back in 1984, it was moved brick by brick and rebuilt here at St Fagans, and I believe it's been open to the public since about 2007. When they were moving the church, they found a lot of old wall paintings in the plasterwork. So they've restored the church, recreating this very bright, like drawings, and this is what it was supposed to look like back in 1530. I'll add some music now as we wander around the church, and you can enjoy these unusual paintings. And there's actually a beautiful rood screen with loft that's been handmade by a head carpenter. So I hope you enjoyed this short video of this very unusual church. If you'd like to come and visit this museum, and it is definitely worth coming and spending a day here, I'll put the link in the description. And please don't forget to hit like and subscribe if you haven't done already. I'll see you soon.